Hi guys, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome to my channel. So I have a huge makeup haul and I just want to show you what I got. And I placed a huge order, and this is a brand that I've never tried before. None of this. But yeah, I'm excited to just show you everything I got. But before starting, subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. I post on Mondays and Fridays. Also, you guys, ignore my mess on my desk on the back. Hopefully I'm covering up everything. It's just this week has been just incredibly busy at work. So my desk is quite a disaster back there. It's been quite a lot lately. Like last week, there has been days that I work until like 10:30 p.m. since 8 a.m. Other days I close my laptop at like 8 p.m., 8:30 from 8 a.m. You guys, the last 2 weeks has been just insane. So I just got home a while ago actually, because I just like got food from Chipotle. To be honest, I just didn't feel like cooking, you guys. I had to run an errand. I had to pick up an item which I can make a video about. But yeah, so I went with my cute little bag and I picked up my item and then I came back, but I just don't want to show you in this video. This video is just going to be about my makeup, and I want to talk about makeup because makeup is literally a passion of mine. I feel like, and I love bags, I love styling, but I feel like makeup was the first passion that I acquired, just growing up, even at university. And I just love makeup, you guys, to like a degree that just most people don't understand. Anyway, so let's start with the first item. So actually, my mom got me a couple of items for Valentine's Day and I didn't even expect it. I don't know, I always tell my mom to just not give me anything, but she did anyway. And then, oh my god, I just couldn't believe it. Like, I've never ordered any of these brands before. So anyway, I love like the French style, kind of like Baroque type of architecture. I love Rococo type things, everything, architecture, decor, works of art, paintings, those eras are kind of like my favorite. So anyway, this kind of like reminds me of that, just absolute beauty, right? Beautiful stuff. Okay, because makeup should not only be great products, great makeup, but also like put effort to the packaging, you guys. I can't talk on and on just about packaging. There's so much that I know. And even like expensive brands, okay, very high fashion makeup brands, I definitely see their packaging on Alibaba, you guys. Okay, so I know where all that is coming from. And I know how much it costs, but how beautiful is this, you guys? Absolute stunner packaging. But let's get on with it, and I will pretty much show you this palette. So this palette, how cute are those eyeshadows? So this is just decor here. It doesn't open or anything. I love this highlighter, you guys, but this is not like a face highlighter. This is just like an eyeshadow highlighter, which a lot of palettes nowadays don't have that. So anyway, let me just do a little swatch for you. I'm in love with this color. Really, really pretty. I think this is supposed to be a blush, but I'm just going to use it as an eyeshadow, you guys. I'm using the same finger, whatever. Today, I'm just wearing this eyeshadow. But the other day, I did use these two, which I really like. This one, it has like a plastic cover, so I haven't removed that yet. I guess I can swatch the glittery one. So let me use another finger. Oops, not that one. Oh, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Where are we going this weekend, you guys? Look at that. Absolute stunner. I love this. But check this one out. I was so impressed by the packaging. I don't even know this brand. I think it's the same brand as this one, Flower Nose. And this brand is Color Rose. So when I saw it, I was like, stop it. I was like, what in the Harry Potter mixed with Rococo is this? You know what I mean? Like, I just thought this was ridiculously incredible. Like, how do they do this? Like with laser or like a mold? I haven't really researched that portion of it. Because I don't think it's a stamp or anything. I don't know. Maybe they have like molds. But look at how intricate. The thing is that if you remove like this type of product from a mold, I don't know. Maybe it's a very, very thin mold maybe. But how do you not like break a little star or a little line? Do you see those columns on the side? And there's two angels on the side. Absolutely stunning. So this is supposed to be a highlighter. And to be honest, you guys, I have not used it yet because I thought it was just so pretty. So I don't know exactly what this product does, but I'm excited to try it out. And astonishing, just so pretty, you guys, absolutely amazing. But and also my mom gave me this mascara, so it has a cute little mirror here, you guys. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but it is a really small brush, and I did try it. I think I bent it accidentally. I did try it, and it is good for separating each eyelash. It is actually really, really good for that portion of it. But I have really thin, I don't have a lot of eyelashes, but they're not really long. So I do need like a second mascara. But I feel like this is still good, and I will use it in combination with another mascara. Let's go into this box. So literally, I received this, I think it was yesterday, you guys. So they did send me quite a lot of stuff, and the cute thing is, depending on how much you get and what you get, they give you a couple of gifts. So I will show you the gifts first. They gave me this very cute little bag. I just love the material, you guys, and even inside, look at the lining. So it's not like cheap, you know what I mean, like other brands. And it has a little cute heart on the keychain. Isn't this so cute? Another thing they gifted me, and granted I removed everything from the boxes to just not waste time doing that. So I got this cute, what do you call this even? Like headpiece. When I was younger, I used to wear these a lot, but then they give me a lot of headaches, you guys. Like, I am the type that I get headaches easily if I wear like headbands or anything tight. So anyway, I just feel like this is not even tight at all. Like, it's so comfortable, you guys, and it looks adorable. I believe I'm gonna use this, maybe not to go run my errands, but maybe during summer, like with a cute swimsuit, you guys. They also gifted me, so I didn't know I was gonna get this. The rest I kind of knew because I saw my order, but they gave me a cute makeup remover wipe just for me to try it out. So I didn't even know they had this, to be honest. So I'm excited about that. I love free gifts. Also, for whatever reason, I got 4 of these. These are cute little heart sponges with a cute little bow. How adorable, you guys. This is just adorable. I got 4, and it comes in a cute little box. So these cute sponges come in these cute little boxes, but I removed all the boxes and threw them away. This is the first item that I ordered from Flower Nose. How beautiful and stunning this is. So you can go crazy really quick on this website. Everything is just stunning. But I was like, no, let me just take a moment here. I just get the essentials. So anyway, I needed new eyeshadows. So I decided to just get this one palette, not every palette on the website. But how cute is this palette? I really like the colors and I'm excited to wear this one. I am wearing 2 colors from here today. So I am wearing these 2 colors today, but I applied makeup earlier, so don't look at it that closely. Okay, so let me show you this swatch. So this is for the middle eyeshadow. And yeah, the other one I haven't used it. So this is the brown, this one, that's the swatch. This is the other. Look at that. These are just so cute. So I appreciate that these are fairly pigmented, but not like crazy. You know what I mean? Because it's okay if some eyeshadows are good quality, but not as like intensely pigmented. I mean, they are pigmented, but you know what I mean? Like that really like dense pigment. Because a lot of us work, I don't need to look crazy at my corporate job. I just need something, you know, fairly adequate looking for the setting that I'm gonna be at. So I just thought that this was adorable. You guys, how beautiful is this? Insane. And the cute little bow, how beautiful is this? Next, I ordered this cute lip stain. I believe it's not a lip gloss. So I was gonna get carried away, but I don't know this brand yet, so I'm just getting to know this brand pretty much. So I just wanted to order a color, just one of them, just to test it out, right? Anyway, how beautiful is this? Look at the details. Absolutely stunning and incredible. This is just exactly what the doctor ordered. Like, if you are craving buying really cute makeup, this is just the way to go. So when I open it, this is the product. So this little applicator just goes in the middle. In the middle there's nothing. It's literally just on the sides here. With the little applicator, I grab the product, right? And then pretty much just apply. So it is a bit matte. It is not drying. I already tried it today, earlier today, and it's really soft actually. It's kind of like a unusual texture in comparison to the products that we have here in the States, you guys. And I ordered one of these 2. And so this is a lip gloss. How cute is this bow? Beautiful. So no, my lip gloss is not lilac. That is just like the packaging. This is just so stunning. Look at the little hearts. I'm trying to get out of the way. The little heart is just so cute. Anyway, this is the color. And I'm just gonna make a swatch here. Look at that glitter. Like when I applied it today, I was like, oh, I wish I would have recorded my reaction. And I really like the applicator. And I like how long the wand is. Typically, I am not that picky when it comes to the wand, but I just like how fluffy this applicator is. Not only that, but lip gloss is just the way to go. If you want to look really cute, young, you know, lip gloss is the way to go. I keep saying that, but next are these 4 blushes. So these are liquid blushes or semi-liquid. It's kind of like similar to the Rare Beauty but these are just adorable. So these red ones are for Valentine's, but yeah, I just saw the pink ones and I couldn't resist. So I just chose pretty much my favorite colors. Really, really pretty, absolutely stunning. And I'm going to swatch everything. This is just so beautiful. I'm actually wearing one of these. So this is this one. How cute is that? It seems to be a bit more matte. I don't know what I expected, to be honest. So this one is a lot pinker. I feel like this is the one that I'm wearing today, the pink one. Really, really pretty. I don't know the exact color because I can't even look at this. It's so small, you guys. These are from the Valentine's collection. Yeah, so let me swatch this one. But still really cute. Definitely still gonna wear it, you guys. When I received it, I didn't even remember that these were blushes. I literally thought this was just like a lip gloss or lipstick. Then I was like, oh, this is a blush. I forgot. Okay, this is the next one and the last one. That is that color. And my go-tos will be these two, obviously. And this will look good if I want to do like an all, like a bronzy look, right? And that can look really good because this one reminds me of, what is it called? Juice Box from Rhode. So it looks really similar, these colors. Okay, so I did some swatches. These three are the Rhode pocket blushes. So see, this one is more intense, but it's kind of like close in color with this one. And then this is Freckles. Gosh, is the camera going to like... And then this one is Piggy. But now that I'm swatching it, it looks a bit more like this color, even though on the bottom of the container, the color is more similar to this one. I just wanted to do that comparison because the Rhode blushes are my favorite blushes. And personally, I am expecting the company to come out with more colors. But these are really, really cute. Absolutely a stunner packaging. Stunning, you guys. All right, so I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my cheeks so you can see how it looks, because I did apply the same color earlier today and honestly it's fine. I can just apply it on top. So how cute is that color? It is so precious. And then I just grab this cute brush, which is my favorite for spreading the blush, liquid blush. And then what I like to do is also apply here on the bridge of my nose. I love that. It's very subtle. And also I can reapply and like build it up, but I just feel like it is definitely really, really pretty, and I'm just really excited to wear these. Makeup just makes me really excited, and I'm just so happy that I was able to do this video. I love makeup videos, like bringing new brands to light so people can just know what they are. Yeah, I just love these, and I'm so happy that I was able to show you some of these beauties. All right, you guys, that is it for my video today. Subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.